Being a great production manager isn't just about managing jobs, it's about mastering the schedule like a pro. Think of it like playing Tetris. You've got to know exactly where each piece or project fits to get the most revenue out of every day. I'm Adam Sands, CEO of the Roofing Business Partner. In this video, we'll break down the leadership skills, resource planning, and scheduling strategies you need to keep your crews happy and your projects running like clockwork.
How do you become a skilled production manager? What are the leadership skills that are missing? What is the resource planning that's preventing you? It's all about the schedule, very much like playing Tetris. You're going to have a primary skill, which is that you understand the competence around the size of jobs coming into the schedule. So when you look at this piece here easily fits here. The goal of a production manager is essentially to make sure that you're getting maximum revenue per day, per hour by optimizing the schedule and being able to look at a job and say, like, this piece was always the piece that I hated in Tetris. This one always seemed to screw me. I could always find a spot for this, always find a spot for this. The 4 blocks, all those were easy, but this one always got me in trouble. And so trying to figure out how to get that one to fit was tough, but you have to know the difference. You have to know that this is the hard one. You have to understand the size of the jobs coming into the schedule. You have to be able to be the kind of leader that can ask the crews to get what you need done and set the site supervisors and the field managers up for success because you've communicated with the crew. You've said, hey guys, I know I put you on a lot of 12-12s this week. It's Friday. I got a really big job. It's all 4-12 straight goes. Should be nice and easy for you. And then that way the site supervisors and the field managers don't have to kind of navigate that with them. And finally, they have to understand the jobs coming through by knowing how to review the job file playbooks. This is what keeps you out of trouble. Once you've received the company cam, you've received the proposal, you've received the job file playbook, it's your ball. You're the one who's in control at this point.